In this video, I'm going to explain everything you need to know about investing in under 3 minutes. Let's get into it. Number 1, investing means putting your cash to work, growing your money beyond your regular income, with the aim to increase your wealth over the long term. Number 2, before making any moves, consider where you stand financially. Have you got any debt? Have you got an emergency fund? Number 3, be clear on your financial goals. Couple these with your time horizon and risk tolerance. This will determine where and how you should invest your money. In a nutshell, higher risk tolerance equals more equities and fewer bonds. Number 4, there are many different ways to invest, including taking a passive or active approach. Many investors hold ETFs due to their generally low fees, convenience to invest in different markets, and to easily diversify their portfolio by accessing a basket of shares within one trade. Number 5, create your own universe by building your portfolio like the solar system using the core satellite approach. Mixing and matching ETFs, which offer broad market exposures for your core, and niche markets or themes via ETFs or individual shares as your satellites. Number 6, benchmark your shares or ETFs performance against market indices to keep track of your performance and to decide when you might want to buy or sell your investments or readjust your allocations to best suit your investing goals. Number 7, stay consistent and remember the magic of compounding with dollar cost averaging and reinvesting your distributions if you're invested in ETFs. Number 8, diversification and rebalancing can help you smooth your portfolio's returns and keep your risk level on track. If you're willing to get started and to be committed to the long term, you'll have everything you need to be a successful investor.